What if $50,000 bonus isn't actually $50,000 in your pocket? Many Jamaican workers are surprised when their bonus arrives and it's much smaller than expected. They start wondering, did my employer tax this wrong? Or did payroll make a mistake? But in most cases, the answer is simpler. Bonuses are usually taxed the same way as your salary. Today, we're going to break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how bonus pay is taxed in Jamaica and why the amount you receive might look smaller. First, let's define what a bonus actually is. A bonus is extra income paid by your employer, usually for one of these reasons: Christmas bonus, performance bonuses, or company profit bonuses. But here's the key point. For tax purposes, a bonus is treated as income, which means it usually goes through the same deductions as your normal salary. Yes, that means the same taxes may apply. When a bonus is paid, it may be subject to the same statutory deductions that apply to your regular salary. That includes income tax, education tax, NIS, NHT. But here's where it gets important. Your bonus does not have its own special tax rate. Instead, it is typically added to your income for that pay period and taxed accordingly. So, depending on your salary level, the deductions could be higher than you expected. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you receive a $50,000 bonus from your employer. Before you receive that money, certain deductions may apply. Let's walk through what that might look like. If income tax applies, the first deduction may be income tax at 25%. That could be about $12,500. Next is education tax, which is 2.25%. That would be about $1,125. Then there is NHT, which is 2%. That's another $1,000. When we add those deductions together, total deductions could be approximately $14,625, which means the bonus you actually receive might be closer to $35,000. And that's why a $50,000 bonus might feel much smaller. Now it's important to remember the actual deductions may vary depending on several factors. For example, your regular salary, whether you contribute to pension, your total income for that pay period. So the exact amount may be different for each worker. But the key idea is this: a bonus is usually treated as a taxable income. Let's try a quick example. Imagine your bonus is $20,000. How much would be deducted if the same taxes applied? If we apply similar deductions, income tax would be about $5,000, education tax about $450, NHT about $400, leaving you with approximately $14,150. Again, the exact amount depends on your individual payroll calculation. The most important takeaway is this: bonuses are usually not tax-free money. They are typically treated as income, and the relevant statutory deductions may apply. Understanding this helps you avoid surprises when your bonus arrives. In the next video, we'll look at another important question many workers ask. Is it better to be paid salary or hourly paid? We compare both and show which option could earn you more money over time. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.